You see any kids?
Where's she taking us?
Look!
Wow. What? What is it? Oh, I can't see!
Okay, everyone, recess. Come on.
So now what do we do?
We go back to Andy's. Anyone see an exit?
Exit schmexit.
Let's get played with.
Careful. These toys might be jealous of new arrivals.
I want to see!
Hey.
Oh, it's my turn!
New toys!
Well, howdy. Glad to meet you.
Buzz Lightyear, at your service.
Oh, thank you. Oh, may I? Ooh.
Well, hello there. I thought I heard new voices. Welcome to Sunnyside, folks. I'm Lotso Huggin' Bear, but please call me Lotso.
Buzz Lightyear, we come in.
First thing you gotta know about me, I'm a hugger. Oh, look at you all. You've been through a lot today, haven't you?
Oh, it's been horrible.
Well, you're safe now. We're all cast-offs here. We've been dumped, donated, yard sales, second-handed, and just plain thrown out. But just you wait. You'll find being donated was the best thing that ever happened to you.
Mr. Lotso, do toys here get played with every day?
All day long, 5 days a week.
But what happens when the kids grow up?
Well, now I'll tell you. When the kids get old, new ones come in. When they get old, new ones replace them. You'll never be outgrown or neglected, never abandoned or forgotten. No owners means no heartbreak.
Yeehaw! It's a miracle.
And you wanted us to stay at Andy's.
Because we're Andy's toys.
So you got donated by this Andy, huh? Well, it's his loss, Sheriff. He can't hurt you no more.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.